Ever wondered what actually happens behind the scenes of a dropshipping order? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. A customer visits your online store, choose a product and place an order, just like on Amazon or any other e-commerce site. Step 2. You forward that order to your suppliers. Depending on your platform, this can happen automatically or manually. Step 3. The supplier prepares the package and ships it directly to your customer's address. You never handle the product. Step 4. You earn the difference between what the customer paid you and what you paid the supplier. For example, sell at $40, pay supplier $25 and keep $15 profit. And that's the full dropshipping process. Next, we will talk about choosing the perfect niche to maximize your success.